Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans, and we are delighted to present to you today our first ever brand new T6.1 Swamper Edition Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. This one's in pure grey, almost certainly the best colour for certainly the Swamper look. A lot of extra enhancements on the vehicle. As you can see, we've de-chromed the front. Got the matte badge there, the pure grey strips running through it. Arch extensions and side protectors down the full length of the side. Got these beautiful Black Rhino brand new alloy wheels with Cooper Discoverer all-terrain tyres on it. A light bar on the roof, I'll show you how that works in just a second, with a roof protection strip in front of it. We'll just open up, go inside here. Now you'll notice at the minute the seats are out of the vehicle. They're away having leather trim completed on them. So have brand new leather, premium black leather with caravel pattern on it. So this is the control for the light bar. Show you. Nice bright LED lighting on the top. Perfect if you're going sort of wild camping in fields. Give you a bit of extra vision. Also got the utility roof rails and rack on the top with 4 crossbars, so you can attach surfboards, kayaks, anything you need to on top there. Full privacy tints to the rear windows. And as you can see, looking in here, it's been fully carpet lined all the way throughout the rear. Got a 2+1 rear seating system, so it'll be a 5-seater in total with a tailgate. And as you can see, we've got the lights in the tailgate as well. That's just really handy at night when you're trying to load stuff in. Makes life a lot easier. Now the T6.1, they've renewed the whole dash on it, and I've got to say, now that we've had some experience of it, it's really, really good. Got the 2 USB points just down here along with the large cup or bottle holder. The main unit, absolutely superb. So you have App Connect, you can play Google Maps through your phone, it reads your messages to you, etc. All on the screen. Really, really good unit. Got air conditioning, this one. Also got cruise control. So for a start line, really, really high spec. Got the business pack on it. So that aircon, cruise control, and Google Maps sat nav through App Connect. Now continuing around the back, you see we've carried on the matte black theme throughout. It's got the oversized number plate holder and other detailing bits there. Has got rear park sensors, again part of the business pack on these. Foam backed suede effect roof lining. And also the rear styling vents, just give it that rugged look. Now if you take a look at the side, we haven't put a lift kit on this yet. This is something we can do for you if you wish us to do so. Same with sidebars, they can be added. We think it sits just nice as it is. There's good clearance on the wheels and looks absolutely super. Let's give you a close look at those wheels. Twin sliding doors, again another factory option. This vehicle is pre-registered, only done 149 miles, so no different to buying a brand new one. Just you lose about a month on the warranty, that's about it. But a super vehicle. And we welcome part exchanges. We do of course offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, please do give us a shout, and thanks very much for watching.